If you want to disable a trainer in EA Sports FC26, then first of all we can go to kickoff and we can start a simple match. So I'm just gonna pick any team, anything, it doesn't really matter what are the settings, we just have to start the match. And then once you start the match, you just want to go to the pause menu, and over here you should be able to find trainer. So we can go over here, and as you can see we have FC trainer toggle, which can be shown or hidden. So if you don't want the FC trainer to be shown, just set it to hide, and that should be it. Now, in addition to that, if you hide the trainer, and if you exit the match and the trainer comes back, it is still re-enabled, and then you want to go to the kickoff match again, turn off the trainer, and then complete the match. You might need to finish the match, you want to play full 90 hours, not 90 hours, sorry, 90 minutes of a match, in order to save this change, and then the trainer should not be re-enabled. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.